Fruitcake gets a bad rap. It's dense, full of candied fruit, and often the butt of holiday jokes, but it became the star of the show for this particular recipe. Starting about 3/4 inch from the bottom of the roast, make a horizontal cut, stopping a 1/2 inch before reaching the end. Open the flat and make another horizontal cut into the thicker side, again stopping a 1/2 inch before the edge. Lay the meat flat. If the thickness is uneven, cover it with some plastic wrap and gently pound it with a rolling pin or a meat pounder to even it out. To begin on the stuffing, let's crumble that fruitcake. Heat some oil in the skillet over medium-high, add the onion and the garlic, stirring frequently, and then add that fruitcake. Pat that pork dry with paper towels and season generously with some salt, freshly ground pepper, and thyme. Spread the fruitcake mixture evenly over the pork, leaving a 1/2 inch border on all sides. Roll the pork tightly into a cylinder. Now let's grab some kitchen twine and tie it up so that the spirals will stay nice and tight while it cooks. We're going to roast the pork for about 50 minutes or until the instant read thermometer reaches 140 degrees. Make sure you baste the pork roast every 20 minutes. Place the roast seam side down in a shallow roasting pan. Pour a 1/2 cup of apple cider and some chicken broth into the pan around the pork. We're going to make a gravy from the pan drippings with a little bit of milk, but the secret ingredient is adding some bourbon. Woohoo, it's so good. Serve, we're going to slice the pork into 1/2 inch thick pieces. Drizzle that gravy over the slices and serve. I'm a firm believer fruitcake makes a great stuffing. Be sure to get the full recipe down below.